We're here today in Barangay Kansamuray for our tree planting activity for Sealander Roots to Resiliency 2024.
This is an opportunity to restore, to recover, and protect the environment. This activity is more than just planting trees. It's about showing that working together, we can create opportunities.
Importante dapat mananong sila. And thank you sa ilang initiative ay niya event.
We're so happy to be here partnering with Barangay Kansamuray and DNR CCPL because this really shows our commitment towards environmental sustainability. So very, very happy to be planting the seeds for a better future.
This is a testament na talagang we are really serious about this project, Sealander project. You know what? Sealander is about discipline.
Salamat kaninyong tanan sa paghatag o panahon karon adlaw.
Salamat sa ating volunteers from the Aboitiz-Land, from the community, and our partners from the CCPL DNR for taking time for this partnership, for this collaboration dahil together we can make a difference, tama? This tree growing activity, it's part of the Carbon PH project. The Carbon PH project, mo siya ang atong biodiversity conservation and watershed recovery.
Roots to Resiliency, Sealander, this is part of the holistic approach of Aboitiz-Land for the environment, for the Sealander project.
Sealander Roots to Resiliency! Woo!